Hi, I'm Giselle Martinez with the Newbie Realtor, and today we're going to cover the Realtor job description. There are four main job descriptions that you should focus on in order to get your business started. Number three, most important thing to do, most important part of your job description as a realtor is going on appointments. So what do going on appointments look like? I may go on an appointment to show somebody a house. I may go on an appointment to talk with someone about listing their home for sale, but I also may go on an appointment just to develop a relationship with someone who might know a lot of people and might come across someone really soon that might want to sell or buy a home. So go on appointments means you can make an appointment with somebody to have a cup of coffee or take someone out to lunch, or hey, let's go for a walk around the park today. Would you like to go to the gym together? Whatever the case may be, going on appointments also means developing relationships with people, getting out there and talking to people regularly, letting them know and reminding them that not only are you there for them, but you're there to meet all of their real estate needs. So part of your conversation as you depart or end your appointment can be, and by the way, if you know of anyone who wants to buy, sell, invest, or have a real estate career, I do usually say it without stuttering. If you know anyone who wants to buy, sell, invest, or have a career in real estate, tell them to call me. I'd love to help them. So remember, on your schedule should be lead generation first, lead follow-up second, and then making appointments every single week. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and leave as many comments down below. I would love to interact with all of you and give you my information if you'd like to be able to reach out in the future. And I will see you in my next video.